Computer Graphics. Lecture 1. Graphics Systems and Models. Computer Graphics. Computer graphics is the use of computers to display and manipulate information in graphical or pictorial form, either on a visual display unit or via a printer or plotter. Applications of computer graphics. Computer-aided design. Animations are often used in CAD applications. Real-time animations using wireframe displays are useful for testing performance of a vehicle. Wireframe models allow the designer to see the interior parts of the vehicle during motion. When object designs are complete, realistic lighting models and surface rendering are applied. Manufacturing process of object can also be controlled through CAD. Interactive graphics methods are used to lay out the buildings. Three-dimensional interior layouts and lighting also provided. With virtual reality systems, the designers can go for a simulated walk inside the building. Presentation graphics. It is used to produce illustrations for reports or to generate slide with projections. Examples of presentation graphics are bar charts, line graphs, surface graphs, pie charts, and displays showing relationships between parameters. 3D graphics can provide more attraction to the presentation. Computer art. Computer graphics methods are widely used in both fine art and commercial art applications. The artist uses a combination of 3D modeling packages, texture mapping, drawing programs and CAD software. Mathematical art can be produced using mathematical functions, fractal procedures. Photorealistic techniques are used to render images of a product. Animations are also used frequently in advertising, and television commercials are produced frame by frame. Entertainment. CG methods are now commonly used in making motion pictures, music videos, and television shows. Many TV series regularly employ computer graphics method. Graphics objects can be combined with a live action. Education and training. Computer-generated models of physical, financial, and economic systems are often used as educational aids. For some training applications, special systems are designed. E.g., training of ship captains, aircraft pilots, etc. Some simulators have no video screens, but most simulators provide graphics screen for visual operation. Visualization. The numerical and scientific data are converted to a visual form for analysis and to study the behavior called visualization. Producing graphical representation for scientific data sets are called scientific visualization. And business visualization is used to represent the data sets related to commerce and industry. The visualization can be either 2D or 3D. Image processing. Computer graphics is used to create a picture. Image processing applies techniques to modify or interpret existing pictures. To apply image processing methods, the image must be digitized first. Medical applications also make extensive use of image processing techniques for picture enhancements, simulations of operations, etc. Graphical user interface. Nowadays software packages provide graphics user interface, GUI, for the user to work easily. A major component in GUI is a window. Multiple windows can be opened at a time. To activate any one of the window, the user needs just to check on that window. Menus and icons are used for fast selection of processing operations. Icons are used as shortcut to perform functions. The advantages of icons are which takes less screen space. And some other interfaces like text box, buttons, and list are also used. Graphical user interface. Nowadays software packages provide graphics user interface, GUI, for the user to work easily. A major component in GUI is a window. Multiple windows can be opened at a time. To activate any one of the window, the user needs just to check on that window. Menus and icons are used for fast selection of processing operations. Icons are used as shortcut to perform functions. The advantages of icons are which takes less screen space. And some other interfaces like text box, buttons, and list are also used. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics generally means creation, storage, and manipulation of models and images. Such models come from diverse and expanding set of fields including physical, mathematical, artistic, biological, and even conceptual, abstract, structures. Frame from animation by William Latham, shown at SIGGRAPH 1992. Latham creates his artwork using rules that govern patterns of natural forms. Perhaps the best way to define computer graphics is to find out what it is not. It is not a machine. It is not a computer, nor a group of computer programs. It is not a graphic designer, a programmer, a writer, a motion picture specialist, or a reproduction specialist. Computer graphics is all these, a consciously managed and documented technology directed toward communicating information accurately and descriptively. Computer Graphics, by William A. Fetter, 1966. What is interactive computer graphics? User controls content, structure, and appearance of objects and their displayed images. Basic components of an interactive graphics system. Input, e.g., mouse, tablet, and multi-touch. Processing, and storage. Display/output, e.g., screen, paper-based printer. Video recorder, e.g. First truly interactive graphics system. Sketchpad, pioneered at MIT by Yvonne Sutherland for his 1963 PhD thesis. Used TX2 transistorized mainframe at Lincoln Lab. CRT monitor, light pen and function key panel. Almost all key elements of interactive graphics system are expressed in first paragraph of Sutherland's 1963 PhD thesis, Sketchpad, a man-machine graphical communication system. The Sketchpad system uses drawing as a novel communication medium for a computer. The system contains input, output, and computation programs which enable it to interpret information drawn directly on a computer display. Sketchpad has shown the most usefulness as an aid to the understanding of processes, such as the motion of linkages, which can be described with pictures. Sketchpad also makes it easy to draw highly repetitive or highly accurate drawings and to change drawings previously drawn with it. Today, we still use non-interactive batch mode for final production quality video and film, special effects, FX. Enabling modern computer graphics. Hardware revolution. Moore's law, every 12 to 18 months, computer power improves by factor of 2 in price/performance as feature size shrinks. Significant advances in commodity graphics chips sold in good quantity, every 6 months versus several years for general-purpose CPUs. Newest processors are 64-bit, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10-core. Graphics subsystems. Offloads, transfer to a peripheral device, of computer data, graphics processing from CPU to chip designed for doing graphics operations quickly. NVIDIA GeForce trademark, ATI Radeon trademark. GPUs used for special purpose computation, also bunched together to make supercomputers. GPU has led to development of other dedicated subsystems. Physics, NVIDIA Physical XPPU, Physics Processing Unit, standard on many NVIDIA GPUs. Hardware Show and Tell, department's new NVIDIA GeForce GTX 460s. 1.35 GHz clock, 1 GB memory, 37.8 billion pixels/second fill rate. Old cards, GeForce 7300 GT, 350 MHz clock, 256 MB memory, 2.8 billion. Fill rate. Input devices. Mouse, tablet and stylus, multi-touch, force feedback, and other game controllers, e.g., WII, scanner, digital camera, images, computer vision, etc. Whole body as interaction device.